Hey, what up, gang? Boo-Boo617, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna work on a new thing, a new project, something a little bit different. Not that different, but you know what I mean. Let's get to it. So today I'm excited because I'm putting another piece on the BMW X5 M Sports. And what is it that you ask? If you haven't read the description already, is gonna be the side skirt extenders. Now, the backstory with the extenders is that I ordered them from Alibaba. Reason being is because they had it for dirt cheap compared to any other website, like even eBay or Amazon. On eBay and Amazon, I think they were like between $500 to $800. On Alibaba, I got them for like, initially it was like 170, something like that, or two something. I forget the exact amount, but it ended up being like $300. Because when I ordered it, then the person hit me back and said, hey, you know, because of what's going on with the pandemic, we got to charge more for shipping, so I'm gonna send you another link so you can pay for the shipping. And I'm sitting there like, I don't like that. It was iffy. So, but I'm like, you know what, regardless, it's gonna be cheaper. It ended up being like $300 compared to $500 to $800. I'm like, let's do it. So I sent them the money, and then I waited and waited and waited. That's the thing, like, I communicated with this person for like 3 months, because I was supposed to get within like a couple weeks to get to me, and it didn't. Literally took like 3 months to get to me. But fighting with this person, he giving me excuses here and there. At this point, I thought it was a fake account that was trying to steal the money. But no, he sent it, I got it, and we're gonna install it. So let's do this. All right, so here they are. I'm gonna try to do this in the garage because it's kind of hot outside. And there's a lot of people walking around, so I'm just gonna do it in here. It's a little bit dim compared obviously to outside, but I mean, it's pretty visible. So this is it here. The side skirt extenders, I already took them out the box. This is my first time actually viewing them myself, so this is what it is. They're already pre-painted. The black, they seem pretty solid. Yeah, it's good material, light, strong, flexible. All good things that you need for these pieces, so that when they're going against the wind and things like that, they don't just snap right away. It brings a little hardware kit. Let's see. So we got the double-sided tape and the screws. Now, I do recommend doing this with somebody. Unfortunately, don't have anybody today to help me, so I'm gonna have to try to do this by myself. If I don't succeed, then you will see in the video that I get one of my friends to come help me. But I'm gonna try to do this by myself today. Let's do it. And before I do anything, let me just show you a before anything's on. So the first issue I'm having is figuring out what side goes where, because if you notice, it has this little this thing here, this bump on this side, but on that side it does not. So I gotta figure out on which side it goes, and there's no instructions, there's no marking saying left or right. So I gotta go online and figure that out first. All right, guys, so off camera, I Googled it, and what it is that bump goes in the rear. Okay, so now I could determine the side. Good thing is they already got the pre-drilled holes. All I gotta do is put the tape, line it up, and then drill it. Let's see how it goes. So as you guys know, I told you I was doing this by myself, so I got this box to help me outline these things. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put tape, so double-sided tape, so I can start lining the skirt up. First thing I'm gonna do is clean this off with the tape to go on smoothly. Get anything, a rag. I couldn't find my rag, so I'm using some normal paper. The good thing about this kit too is that it's indented exactly. It's molded the same way that the factory side skirt is. It's gonna fit right in there. The next step is to clean under the side skirt itself so that the tape can stick. As you can see, I added another box so it could lift it up a little bit better. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna align it to where I want it. It's actually really perfect, like the way that they molded this. It's like you can feel it click into place. Really good. I like that. Okay. Now that I could visually see that, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take the plastic off of the tape, and I'm going to start sticking it on. What this is for is so that it could so that I can align the skirt properly, so that then I can drill it. That's the point of the tape. That's right. So I lined it up exactly where I want it to be. Now I'm gonna screw it. So I just gotta locate the already pre-existing hole. Make sure it's lined up. Just the hole. Move the box a little bit. Get the hole over here. I've seen people do this in the shop or lift it because so that the screw can go in perfectly, but I'm going in at an angle. All right. Let's add the other one. All right, guys, we flipped the car around. I'm about to start doing the same process on this side. First thing is first, you know, cleaning that out, cleaning the side skirt out, putting the tape, lining it up, and installing it. Let's see if it goes the same. All right, guys, so I was able to put both sides on now. Looks really nice. She's purring. I love it. Love that sound. Let me show y'all how it looks like from the top view, top profile. I mean, it looks nice. It definitely brings it out. And definitely needed it because I got the front lip and the back diffuser. So now the sides match. So yes, guys, the project wasn't hard at all. It just takes a little bit of finesse. It definitely would help if you had a lift, if you had some jack stands, if you had a friend to help you out. But it's doable by yourself. Just need some things like, the box that I use and things like that. That box definitely helped a lot. As far as build quality, very solid plastic. The paint is on point, no blemishes. Like I said, if you order from Alibaba, just expect long waiting time, 3 months. I mean, that's how much it took for it to get to me. I mean, this is, granted, it's from China, and I think they make it on the spot. So when you order it, they start making it. I think that was like the whole thing about it. But with that said, let me know what you guys think. Does it look good? I think it looks really good. It sets the car up even more than what it is. So like it just adds to it, doesn't take away at all. People have been wondering, why is it that when I put these pieces, these aero pieces, that I'm not using carbon fiber? Reason being, one, carbon fiber is extremely expensive. Two, I like the look of factory, so I like it to look like it came like that from the factory. Usually cars, when they come with a lip kit, it comes painted the same color as the car. Don't get me wrong, I know that there's a lot of cars like, top of the line sports cars that do come with the lip kits that are carbon fiber, but they're an exception. And I really like the look of it looking just factory. It looks more aggressive, but when you look at it, you're like, oh, if you don't know about these cars, you won't know that it's added on. You'll probably think that it's more of a top of the line. For example, the Nismo, my 370Z Nismo, the bumpers and the side skirts are factory. They just the Nismo edition, so that's why they're more aggressive. Just like this one, it's an M Sport, so I got the M Sport package, the bumpers and stuff like that, and the side skirts. But this adds to that, and it makes it more aggressive, and I like the way that it looks factory. So that's the reason I get them all black all the time. Now, all the smaller trim pieces, I'm starting to get them more carbon fiber, like, for example, the wing, some interior pieces that I purchased that are going to be carbon fiber. I'll be putting those videos up soon, things like that. But one thing I get all the time on YouTube is people asking for links. The reason I don't like to put links is because a lot of times I got to deal with these companies, and I don't recommend it. Like, for example, I don't recommend someone dealing with a company that says that they got the part, and they really don't. They're making it as upon order, and then the customer gotta wait 3 months. Like, that's not, I don't recommend that. So I never put links on a lot of my videos, and that's one of the reasons. I'm gonna let you guys do the research just like me. I had to put in the work and put in the time and the effort to find these pieces on my own. So that's your homework, guys. If you like what you see and you wanna mimic a little bit of what I'm doing, then you gotta put in the legwork. You gotta put in that legwork. But anyways, guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Boo Boo 617, we out.